In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a lease application in DocuSign. To get started, log into your DocuSign account and click Start. This is the quickest way to begin creating a new transaction. Once the menu appears, choose Envelope. In DocuSign, an envelope is the container that holds your document, recipients, and all the fields that need to be completed. So this is the option you'll want for sending out a lease application. Next, select Get Signatures. This tells DocuSign that you're preparing a document for people to review, complete, and sign electronically. After that, upload the lease application document you want the applicant to fill out. Make sure you're using the correct and final version of the application before moving forward, since this helps avoid confusion later. Once the file is uploaded, add the applicant as a recipient by entering their name and email address. This is the person who will be completing the application, so double check the contact information for accuracy. If anyone else also needs to complete or sign the lease application, such as a co-applicant or another required recipient, add them at this stage as well. Including all recipients now helps keep the process organized from the beginning. When your recipients are in place, click next to open the document preparation screen. This is where you'll tell DocuSign exactly what needs to be filled in and signed. Add all the required fields to the application, such as text fields for written responses, checkboxes for selections, date signed fields, signature fields, and any other necessary fields included in the form. Try to place each field clearly and neatly so the document is easy for recipients to follow. After adding the fields, make sure each one is assigned to the correct recipient. This is very important, especially if more than one person is involved. Proper assignment ensures that each person can only complete the sections intended for them, and helps prevent delays or mistakes. Before sending anything, take a moment to review the entire application. Check the document itself, confirm the recipients, verify the signing order if one is needed, and review all fields to make sure nothing is missing or assigned incorrectly. A careful final review can save time and prevent follow-up corrections. Once everything looks correct, click Send to send the lease application to the recipients. DocuSign will then deliver the document so they can complete and sign it electronically. Thanks for watching.